Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. Make sure you go ahead and hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. On today's video, I'm just going to be trying out my Juvia's Place foundation and concealer. So I received my package in the mail and going to be trying it on, doing swatches, comparisons, or whatever. Okay, so these are the boxes that it came in. So this is the foundation. And I got the color Nairobi 410, and this is the concealer. And what did I get in concealer? Number 13. So hopefully these are the right colors for my skin tone and my undertone or whatever. Took a lot of researching to do because I actually didn't go in Ulta because I don't think they had like a lot of selection for what I was seeing. So I just looked online. I looked at the chart, which I really couldn't go by the chart, so I had to just do a little research just to see, you know, just to see if I can match my color good. So I ordered this on the Juvia's Place website, and the shipping was pretty good. Got it pretty quick, so I'm excited to try it out. So let's open it. Okay. So got the foundation, cool. So this is the tube it comes in. So let's see. So this is a Velvety matte foundation, and the concealer. Let's see. So the concealer comes in this tube. This is a pretty big concealer for the price. It's a really good price. Oh, I forgot to mention that the foundation was $20 and the concealer was, I think it was $15. Let's see. Oh, the concealer was $14. The foundation is $20, the concealer is $14. So really good price. And the foundation, the tube seems a little small, but it's full coverage, so I'm assuming you won't need much. And this is a different tube for a foundation to come in. This is a different tube for me. I'm used to it being in like a glass jar with a pump and all that. So it's like a moisturizer tube or something like that. So let's see. Okay, yeah, so you just squeeze it out right there. So let's see. So what I'm going to do, this is my first time using this, I'm going to do some swatches. So I'm going to swatch this Nairobi in comparison with my Too Faced Born This Way and my Revlon Colorstay. So in the Too Faced Born This Way, I use Butter Pecan, and the Revlon Colorstay, which is my drugstore brand, I use Caramel. So I'm going to be swatching those just to compare like the colors some. So hopefully I picked a good color. Oh yeah, she is full coverage, y'all. Just this swatch. I had like a little spot on my arm. It covered that up completely. And in the Revlon Colorstay, the caramel colors are usually a little darker on my skin tone. I used to get that from my summertime color, but I don't know. Okay, so these are the colors. I don't know, I put it on my arm that way. Okay, so this is the Revlon Colorstay through here in comparison to Juvia's Place Magic Foundation in Nairobi. So that's pretty close. So this right here, down here, is my Too Faced Born This Way and Butter Pecan, which is a tad bit lighter. The colors compared together are pretty close, so I think I did pretty good. So now let's try it on my face. Now using the Juvia's Place Magic Foundation in Nairobi 410. So we're going to be using that on my face. And I forgot to mention the size of the bottle is 1.0 fluid ounces, so it's 1 fluid ounce. And this is how much I put on my finger. I'm just going to start off with a small amount. Oops. And I'm going to spritz my beauty blender with my MAC Fix Plus. And of course I still have the same top on here that I changed it out to last time, just so I won't drench my face. Okay, yeah, let's try it out, y'all. I'll probably try the other side with the brush just to see how it does. So this side I'm doing it with my beauty sponge, and the other side I'm going to do it with the brush. Yes, I think I did pretty good with the color, guys. Let me know what you guys think. I think I did pretty good. And I also saw my girl Bridget. She tried it on. I was like, maybe I think I need that color. Okay, so the other side I'm gonna try it with the brush, which is the Luxie 680. Let's see. So what I noticed with a brush, you get more of a, I can't even talk right. With the brush, you get more of a full coverage. And the side I did with the beauty sponge, it's full coverage, but you can tell it took away some of the product, basically. As you can see the difference. So if you're a full coverage type of girl, it's good to do it with a brush. Now, can you see the difference? So yeah, the color is pretty good. I'm kind of thinking I could have went a tad bit lighter. As you can see my neck. See the difference? I probably could have went a tad bit lighter, but it's pretty good. So let's see how the concealer does with it. Actually, I'm gonna apply some more just to see how it does. The undertone is kind of giving me a red undertone. That's probably why I look a little darker, because as you can see, my undertone isn't red. So, yeah, she's full coverage. This spot on my chin, it's been there since I was 5. It covered it. Okay, so the concealer in the Juvia's Place. Juvia's Place Magic Concealer. And I'm trying the number 13. So I'm gonna do a couple of swatches on that. So this is the number 13 concealer. And I'm gonna compare that to, let's see. I'm gonna compare that to my Born This Way in Warm Sand. And also in my Fenty Beauty Concealer in 370. the Warm Sand, and this is the 370, so it's pretty close to the Fenty Beauty 370. All right. It's really soft and creamy. Feels really good when you're applying it. Oops. Let's see how it blends with the Beauty Blender versus the brush. Love this concealer, guys. I love it. Same brush, just cleaned off some of the foundation. Okay, so I love this concealer, guys, and it kind of evened out that dark foundation. I'm still looking a little dark, so I may, let's see, I may do this. See if that helps. By my, oh Lord, look what I've done. By my foundation being a bit darker, what I done was just made a contour line basically. So you can see where I highlighted in these two areas to give me that contoured look. So basically that's what I can do when I wear this foundation. So in the comments below, let me know what you guys think. Do you think this will work, just doing the contoured look with it, or should I just go a shade lighter? I mean, on camera looks a little off to me, but when I look in the mirror it doesn't look like too off. So I don't know, let me know what you guys think in the comments below. So let me finish the rest of my face and I'll be back. Okay, I'm back, guys. I completed the rest of my face off camera, but yeah, I love this foundation and concealer. It's full coverage. It is buildable, which you really don't need to build on it because it's full coverage. I love it. It's 1 ounce, which that 1 ounce should last you for a while, because only thing you need is just like a little dab of it, seriously, and you can cover your whole face with it. But that's probably why they put it in this tube, because with a pump, you know, a lot comes out, and with this you can kind of control it. So it's probably why they done that, because it's full coverage. She's full coverage, y'all, like for real. But yeah, just you could just look on their site. if you're new to it, to like compare the colors up from the Fenty to theirs, or you know, whatever, just to get your color match and your undertone and all that. And they also have pictures of like different shades of people and different undertones or whatever, and the colors they are and all that, so that is a big help. But yeah, this is a must try, y'all. Like for $20, like, oh my gosh, I love this. But I was kind of iffy about my color match because it looked like just a tad bit darker and it had like a little red tint to it. But like once I completed the rest of my face, I love it. Like this color match is like, I love it, y'all. So yeah. And the concealer, I love the concealer. It's creamy. I mean, it blends very well and I love it, as y'all can see. And it's really good with the setting powder. The setting powder I used was, what did I use? I think I used my Laura Mercier setting powder. Yeah, I used my Laura Mercier setting powder. And as with the foundation, the primer that I use is my, what I use? The No Problem Primer by In Touch Soul. So that primer did really well with the foundation. And the foundation is like really creamy and blendable. I mean, with the brush and with the beauty blender. But like I said in the beginning, because you know I did both sides or whatever. So on one side I did it with the brush, and on the other side I did it with the not the beauty blender, my beauty sponge, because it's another brand. So I did it with my beauty sponge on the other side, and both sides is full coverage, but you get more of a full coverage with a brush. So if you want more of a full coverage, it's good to use a brush, and if you want more of a subtle full coverage, use it with the beauty blender. But yeah, I love it. Oh, I forgot to mention that the concealer is $14 for 0.34 fluid ounces. So that's really good, y'all. It's really good. Love the products. So it's a thumbs up for me, y'all. Must try. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please leave your comments below. Let me know what you think of the color and the undertone and all that. So like I said, once I finish it, I love it. But still, let me know what you guys think, because you know on camera, you know, you can see something a little different. But yeah, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and click on that bell so you can receive notifications each and every time I upload a video. Stay tuned to the next video, guys. Be blessed. Bye.